All right, let me ask you something. When was the last time getting around actually felt fun instead of rushed or exhausting? The Gotrax folding electric bike has a way of flipping that feeling almost instantly. Before anything else, take a second to check the current price and availability, because bikes like this tend to move fast once people catch on. This is for you if you the kind of person who values freedom more than flash. You like moving on your own terms, avoiding traffic, skipping parking stress, and still getting where you going without showing up drained. You've outgrown the idea that commuting has to feel like a chore, and once you experience this kind of assist, regular rides start to feel unnecessarily hard. You probably remember the moment it clicked. Maybe it was pushing uphill and feeling your legs burn, or showing up sweaty when you didn't plan to. Maybe it was staring at traffic and thinking there has to be a better way. That's the moment you realize it's time to upgrade, not to something complicated, but to something smarter. After riding this daily, there's a surprising sense of relief. You're still pedaling, still in control, but now there's this smooth push behind you that makes distances feel shorter and hills feel manageable. You stop planning routes around exhaustion and start choosing routes based on enjoyment. Picture real life with it. Morning rides feel calm instead of rushed. Errands turn into quick loops instead of planning sessions. Weekend cruising feels playful again, not like a workout you have to mentally prepare for. And when you're done, it folds down neatly, slips out of the way, and doesn't demand space or attention. The performance isn't about chasing speed, it's about confidence. That steady assist gives you the feeling that you can go farther without second-guessing yourself. You feel capable, relaxed, and in control, which is something you notice every single ride. If you even slightly considering it, don't wait on random price jumps or limited stock moments. This is one of those upgrades that quietly improves your day over and over again. You might wonder if a folding electric bike can really replace your usual transport. That doubt fades the moment you realize how often you choose it without thinking. The assist becomes your safety net, not a crutch. And the surprise benefit: you actually ride more often because it never feels like too much effort. Owning this feels liberating. Rides feel lighter and smoother. Errands stop feeling exhausting. You move without rushing. Daily travel feels enjoyable again. It's heavier than a standard bike. You'll want to ride it more than planned. At some point, you stop comparing and just choose the ride that already fits your life. Don't let this be one of those upgrades you keep postponing and wishing you'd made sooner. Check the price, see if it's available, and give yourself a way to move that finally feels right.